Okay, I just tried Master Puppets on Expert and then Expert. Or Expert Plus and then Expert. Now we're gonna try it on hard because it's really hard. Whoa. Okay. How did I miss that? That was sad. I don't like that the blocks are almost the same color. That kept messing me up. This is really slow, but the other ones are super fast. So I don't know. Why do I suck? Why did I just miss like everything there? This is sad. Okay. I kinda did bad, but whatever.